This is the most dangerous job on the power grid. It pays $30,000 a month, but you have to repair high-voltage power lines while they're still live. These workers are called live line linemen. Today their task is simple. Replace a damaged insulator on a roadside distribution line. But the wire above carries over 10,000 volts, enough to stop a human heart instantly. They're doing it 30 feet in the air, standing in a bucket beside the road. From the ground, it looks routine, but up here, every move counts. Touch the energized conductor, and electricity reacts instantly. An arc can jump through the air in a split second. That's why they use a hot stick, an insulated pole for moving hardware without touching the live line. Their gloves are made of rubber insulation rated for thousands of volts. One mistake can cut power to entire neighborhoods and cost thousands in repairs. But the real danger is personal. A single arc flash can send thousands of volts through the body instantly. That's why every move follows strict rules. They keep their distance, stay in radio contact, and handle everything carefully. So would you take this job for $30,000 a month?